Q8592. The maximum deviation during level flight permitted in a compensated magnetic direction indicator installed on an aircraft certified under 14 CFR Part 23 is A. 60, B. 80, C. 100. The correct answer is C. For aircraft certified under 14 CFR Part 23, the maximum deviation permitted in a compensated magnetic direction indicator during level flight is 100 degrees. This means that the difference between the indicated magnetic heading and the actual magnetic heading should not exceed 100 degrees. It is important to regularly check and adjust the compass deviation to ensure accurate navigation. 8593. Magnetic compass bowls are filled with a liquid to A. Retard precession of the float. B. Reduce deviation errors. C. Dampen the oscillation of the float. The correct answer is C. The liquid inside a magnetic compass bowl is typically a special type of oil or alcohol. Its primary purpose is to dampen the oscillation of the float, also known as the compass card or disc, which helps stabilize the compass reading. Without the liquid, the compass card would swing freely and would be more susceptible to rapid movements and vibrations, making it difficult to obtain an accurate reading. The damping effect of the liquid reduces these oscillations and allows for a smoother and more stable indication on the compass. 8601-1. At sea level, when the average atmospheric pressure is 14.1 psi, the barometric pressure is A. 29.92 Hg, B. 29.92 megabits, C. 1013.25 Hg. The correct answer is A. In aviation, standard pressure is a reference value used to represent atmospheric pressure. It is defined as 29.92 inches of mercury, Hg, 1013.2 hectopascals, HPA, or 14.7 pounds per square inch, psi. This standard pressure is used as a baseline for many altitude and pressure measurements in aviation. It allows for consistent and standardized communication and interpretation of atmospheric conditions across different locations and altitudes. Pilots and air traffic controllers rely on standard pressure to ensure accurate altitude reporting and pressure settings in aircraft instruments. 8602. A Bourdon tube instrument may be used to indicate A. Pressure and temperature, B. Temperature and position, C. Position and pressure. The correct answer is A. A Bourdon tube instrument is commonly used for measuring pressure. However, it is possible to adapt this instrument for temperature measurement by connecting it to a temperature bulb containing a volatile liquid like methyl chloride. The bulb and Bourdon tube are sealed together as a unit and connected by a small diameter copper tube. When the temperature surrounding the bulb changes, it causes a corresponding change in pressure above the volatile liquid. By calibrating the dial of the Bourdon tube instrument in units of temperature, the pressure change can be interpreted as a measure of the temperature change. 8603. A turn coordinator instrument indicates A. The longitudinal attitude of the aircraft during climb and descent, B. The need for corrections in pitch and bank, C. Both roll and yaw. The correct answer is C. A turn coordinator instrument is primarily used to indicate the coordinated turn of an aircraft. It provides information about both roll and yaw movements. It shows the rate of roll and the coordination of turns by indicating the yaw rate. A turn coordinator instrument does not directly indicate the longitudinal attitude of the aircraft during climb and descent or the need for corrections in pitch and bank.